Hi there, my name is Belinda Basson and I love to create. I have created a series of free classes for you called Crystal Resin. They're broken down into two lessons, one being how to use crystal resin on a flat surface and the other how to use crystal resin in molds and using colors. Here you can see me using the crystal resin on a flat surface. It's a coaster which you can use to put on your dinner table with your glass of wine, or on your coffee table under your cup of tea or coffee. And here you can see me doing multiples. So I first show you how to just do one coaster, and then I'd show you how to do a batch of coasters so that you can mix your resin all at once and do what I call factory line work. Then we have the resin in the molds, and I show you how to use various additives like pigments, glitter, Arctic flakes, colorants, and basically you can add whatever you like, metal embellishments. The creativity is entirely up to you. There are two ways that you can use crystal resin. You can either measure it, like I'm doing with a scale, or you can measure it in two little cups. So it depends on what you have to hand, which method suits you better. Then once you have mixed your crystal resin, it has a long open time. You can then add colorants, your glitter, or anything you like, and then add it to your molds. I show you lots of different techniques that you could then use on your cards, your canvases, your scrapbook pages, your mixed media projects. Really, crystal resin is one of the most amazing products. It's so incredibly versatile and incredibly easy to use. It does have a long drying time, so you do have to prepare ahead, but it's well worth it. I hope you sign up for my free class and enjoy it.